Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Examination based question 2022 and 23. Writing module. Your first question. Young people this day tend to be less polite and respectful than in the past. Causes and solution. Your next question. Nowadays for many people the internet is replacing regular books. What do you think will happen in the future and what is your opinion? Your third question. Nowadays for many people internet is replacing regular books. What do you think will happen in the future and what is your opinion? Your next question. Today majority of children are raised by their grandparents due to fact their parents are busy working. To what extent do you think it affects the whole family? Your next question. In many countries, children are getting fatter and less fit day by day. Why is it so and suggest the solution? Your next question. Scientists believe that computer will become more intelligent than the human beings. Some people find it a positive development while others think it is negative development. Discuss the both point and give your opinion. Your next question. Small shops in the towns and villages are closing and replaced by the big store. Explain your opinion. Do you think it is a good or bad? Some people say that subjects like arts, music, drama and creativity writing are more beneficial to children and therefore they need more of this subject to include in the timetable. Do you agree or disagree? Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new updates.